Did you know that 70% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the second generation, and a staggering 90% lose it all by the third? Here's the brutal truth. Even if you build incredible wealth today, statistically, your grandkids will likely end up broke. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build and protect generational wealth that lasts. I'll reveal the 3-asset strategy that's created more family dynasties than any other method in history. You'll learn why most inheritance planning fails miserably, and the exact framework used by families who've preserved wealth for over 600 years. But first, let me show you why traditional financial advice is costing your family millions. Number 1, the land foundation. Every piece of land you own is a piece of Earth's limited supply, making it the ultimate wealth preservation tool. Smart families use land as collateral to borrow and invest, creating a perpetual wealth-building machine without selling their appreciating assets. This strategy becomes even more valuable as populations grow and land becomes increasingly scarce. Number 2, cash-flowing properties. Apartment rentals, commercial properties, and hotels create consistent monthly income that can support generations. The compounding effect of multiple properties owned across family members creates an unstoppable passive income stream that grows with each generation. Strategic location selection ensures your properties appreciate while generating steady cash flow. Number 3, build an evergreen business. Look at every major luxury brand. Most started as family businesses that solved fundamental human needs. Creating a business that serves basic human requirements ensures it will still be relevant when your grandchildren take over. Focus on building systems and processes that can operate without your direct involvement. Number 4, the S&P 500 strategy. The S&P 500 automatically removes failing companies and adds successful ones, creating a self-cleaning investment vehicle. Historical data shows that patient investors who hold for decades consistently build significant wealth through market ups and downs. Dollar cost averaging into the index removes emotional decision-making from your investment strategy. The key is to start early and maintain consistent contributions regardless of market conditions. Most importantly, resist the urge to time the market or make emotional decisions during downturns. Number 5, the buy, borrow, die strategy. This powerful approach allows wealthy families to access their wealth without triggering taxable events through strategic borrowing. By never selling appreciating assets, families can pass wealth to the next generation with significant tax advantages while maintaining control of their assets. Leveraging assets strategically creates a tax-efficient wealth multiplication system. Number 6, strategic cryptocurrency position. The limited supply of Bitcoin combined with increasing global wealth creates a potential generational opportunity. A small allocation to cryptocurrency could provide asymmetric returns that benefit future generations. Consider allocating 1 to 5% of your portfolio as digital insurance against traditional financial system risks. Never invest more than you can afford to lose in this volatile asset class. Focus on secure storage solutions and teaching future generations about digital asset management. Number 7, precious metals and gemstones. Physical gold and precious gems have preserved family wealth through wars, depressions, and currency collapses. These portable stores of value provide insurance against systemic financial risks and maintain their worth across generations. Store them in secure, internationally accessible vaults to ensure mobility during crises. Number 8, alternative assets. Fine art and collectibles often appreciate faster than traditional investments while providing tax advantages. These assets typically survive economic downturns and can be passed down through generations while maintaining their value. Focus on established artists and historically significant pieces with proven track records. Build relationships with reputable dealers and auction houses. Work with art advisors to authenticate and properly insure your collection. Number 9, tax optimization strategy. Legal tax minimization strategies can save families millions over generations when properly structured. Creating the right business entities and trust structures allows wealth to grow faster by keeping more money working for future generations. Regular consultation with tax professionals ensures you're maximizing available benefits. Number 10. Knowledge compounding. Wealthy families create structured learning systems to pass down financial wisdom through generations. The combination of growing knowledge and growing wealth creates exponential returns over time. Create a family library of resources and regular financial education sessions. Number 11. Strategic marriage planning. Marriage choices can either double family wealth through strategic alliances or have it through divorce. Proper legal protections and careful partner selection help preserve wealth across generations. Implement clear prenuptial agreements that protect family assets while being fair to all parties. Number 12. Next generation mentorship. Teaching children to build wealth instead of just inheriting it creates sustainable family success. Structured mentorship programs ensure future generations understand both wealth creation and preservation. Start financial education early with age-appropriate lessons and real-world experience. Number 13. Trust structure implementation. Trusts protect family assets from creditors, lawsuits, and irresponsible spending by future generations. Properly structured trusts can reduce estate taxes while ensuring wealth is used according to family values. Regular trust reviews ensure they remain optimized for changing tax laws and family circumstances. Number 14. The 4% rule. This simple rule ensures family wealth grows faster than it's consumed, creating lasting abundance. Following the 4% withdrawal rule allows compound interest to work its magic over generations. Track spending carefully to ensure compliance across all family members. Number 15. Legacy planning through proper estate planning. A detailed estate plan ensures your wishes for family wealth are followed long after you're gone. Proper planning can minimize taxes while maximizing the positive impact of your wealth on future generations. Review and update your plan every 3 to 5 years to account for life changes. The real winners aren't just building wealth, they're building legacies. This is why the wealthiest 1% of families spend more time on wealth preservation strategies than wealth creation. The most successful families I've worked with spend at least 1 week every quarter reviewing and updating their wealth preservation systems. Whether you're starting from zero or already have substantial wealth, implementing these strategies could be the difference between your grandchildren struggling or thriving. Hit subscribe for more wealth building strategies and drop a comment letting me know which of these 15 strategies you'll implement first. Remember that the greatest fortunes in history weren't built in a single generation. They were carefully cultivated and protected over time through systems exactly like the ones we've covered today.